I was a private chef. I was cooking out of my home. Basically, every day was Thanksgiving. When my family was like, you gotta find a space. I found a little space, and on my way to tell them, I got pulled over. And so while they're running your information, I'm sitting there and I look up and I'm like, oh, this place is for rent. I love it. It's ugly and I love it. And that's how I found this place.
Do you think you feed the cops that gave you the ticket?
Maybe.
Do you think they're like,
They
hey,
come
dude,
here
we're
all the
so
time.
glad we pulled you over because look what happened?
I don't think he knows yet. I'm still finding
You know who he is!
Growing up in the Caribbean, and this is a story that's common for a lot of folks in the islands, is that your parents leave you with a friend. They come to the States, they expect to fix the papers and do the whole immigration process. So it was supposed to be months, and it turns out to be 7 years. My aunt that raised me, she raised me very strict in a religious household. And I was not allowed to eat meat growing up. I was
None.
a vegetarian.
Did you want it?
Oh my goodness, that was my dream. Traditionally in the Caribbean, we have what's called stewed chicken. And so this is a play on stewed chicken, the braised lamb shank.
I mean, I feel this push-pull between what you do here that you missed or craved and what your culture, the message.
When I think of it, it's basically making a lot of the food that I was not allowed to have, all melding together. You know, you have the veggies and things like that. Yeah.
By the way, that's a story I think many chefs would tell. We make what we couldn't have, we make what we crave. So, food sermon?
Yes.
What does that mean?
I studied theology for several years. I studied to be a minister.
You were a minister?
Not quite, but I was on my way. I'm just gonna see myself doing it long term.
So what's the sermon here?
No ego, no fluff.
Is this coconut milk?
Coconut milk, ginger, and a little lemongrass. And then this is just a tomato with a little bit of capers.
Is that traditional Caribbean?
No, pickling is. To get that pickling, acidic flavor, that's how my mind works. It's kind of like what relates to what we have in the islands and what we have here that I can use.
This isn't greasy or heavy at all.
There's no butter. There's no dairy in the food here. The "we believe in you" comes from a place of doubt.
Who's talking to who here?
So, my friends, I said, okay, what if I open up this place and nothing happens? And they're like, people are gonna show up. I just kept thinking, you know, they're not. I'm gonna do all this work, and no one's gonna show.
You were wrong.
You're right.
Good. All right, so we hard sear that firm tofu.
Yes.
And you're really kind of dry roasting a lot of this. Only a little bit of oil to bring out all the good flavor, right?
It reminds me of cooking back home on the open flame. Everything is just seared.
What I love about it is the texture. By charring the tofu, you almost get this, the cream, it's almost creamy inside.
Yeah. The fact that you choose to come and eat here where you have so many other options, you spend your hard-earned money, and you expect it to do you no harm, that's a big deal. Yeah, it's a very intimate thing.
We believe in you that you're gonna put the right hot sauce in the right place. We believe in you. There's a big leap of faith in here.
The fact that you're here tells me that you believe in me. Yeah.
I do.
I appreciate that.